delicate, beautiful garment. My passion for fashion is.
What are the most commonly used fabrics in fashion design and why?
Common fabrics include cotton, silk, wool, polyester, and linen.
What are some common stitches used in fashion design?
Common stitches include stripe, zigzag, lean hem, and overlook, that serve as a specific purpose.
What is a top blouse and how is it used in fashion design?
A frock is a basic sketch of a model's body, uses a template for drawing in design.
What is a lookbook and why is it important?
A lookbook is a visual collection of a designer's work, showcasing at each in a collection.
What do you determine the best fabric for a particular design?
I consider factors like thread, durability, texture, and use. For structured garments, I prefer fabric, while fluidity benefit from subtle, lightweight materials.
Thank you.